afternoon, everyone, and may I begin by welcoming you all here today to this beautiful setting of Merriscourt Barn. On behalf of James and Jasmine, I would like to thank you all for joining them for the celebration of their marriage. And I know it means a great deal to them both that you can be here to share in their happiness on this very special day. Ladies and gentlemen, if I could ask you all to stand, please, to receive the bridal party. So James, please repeat after me. I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Of any lawful impediment.
Why I, James Daniel Billington.
Why I, James Daniel Billington.
May not be joined in matrimony.
May not be joined in matrimony.
To Jasmine Bessie Byron.
To Jasmine Bessie Byron.
James, I give you this ring.
James, I give you this ring.
As a sign of our marriage.
As a sign of our marriage.
And as a symbol of our love.
And as a symbol of our love.
I promise to care for you.
I promise to care for you.
To respect and cherish you.
To respect and cherish you.
Throughout our life together.
Throughout our life together.
It therefore gives me the greatest privilege and the greatest honour to announce that you are now legally husband and wife. You may seal the kiss in the traditional manner, James.
I've known Jasmine for half my life now. Jasmine joined Bluecoat School in year 8, and our first interactions would have been awkward glances across maths. We had a rocky start. Jasmine didn't reply to my first messages for about 2 years, and on another occasion in chemistry it scarred me because she threw a ball of double-sided sticky tape into my long hair. I actually had to have it cut out. We used to bicker and argue in history and maths. Skipping a few minor and a few major details, Jasmine and I have now lived together for the past 2 and a bit years, and in that time I've fallen deeper and deeper in love with her. I've been able to see the way that she dances and jumps when she gets excited. I've seen when she cries at dogs on the Dog's Trust website because they're just so cute. I've danced with her in the kitchen to all sorts of music, whatever's playing, and we've raised an absolutely mental, sometimes well-behaved puppy. I love Jasmine because she is selfless, integral, intelligent, and lovingly caring. She's hilarious, and I'm certain we will live the rest of our lives together, happily laughing and able to tackle whatever happens because I will always have my best friend with me. Jasmine, I love you. So my new wife. So Jasmine.